What's going on, YouTube? Back again. It's the Braap man. Sorry I've been away for a little bit. Wanted to hit you guys up with another video. We have a Honda TRX 250. It's a Honda Recon TRX 250 Fourtrax. And I wanted to talk about why this quad is really awesome. I know I say that a lot, but this ATV is really cool because it's not too big and it's not too small. It's a 250cc automatic clutch. It doesn't get any easier for people that want to learn. There's no clutch. This is the brake. So basically where the clutch would be, the rear brake goes. It just tacks on to the same lever down there for your right foot. So it's very simple. Turn the key, got your neutral light, start button, fires right up. Sounds great. It's got a trailer hitch. Really nice ATV. It's got brand new tires all the way around. Headlights, tail light. So it has a lot of cool features for a basic ATV. It's got reverse, and to activate the reverse, you press this in and then squeeze this, and that allows you to click straight down into reverse. Oh, dead battery. Battery's getting a little weird on me. Probably have to change it, but you can pull start it. It does have a pull start. That's great to have when that battery goes bad. You have a backup, so you can always start the bike. You can always start the ATV back up with a pull start, which is great. So you just push this in. Push this in, squeeze the brake, click down. There you go. That's reverse. Then to get out, you just go right back up. Push it right back into neutral. And then one up again is first. And that's it. Pretty simple. Not too hard. And that's neutral. One down, back down is neutral. So I guess this would be a oil temperature light, which I don't have on this model. This model doesn't have the oil light. I think the bigger CC engines have that oil light, like the 350 and the 450 and the four-wheel drive ones, I think. But I think this model year, it's a 2000, so it's a early model year. So I'm not sure what years they put that oil light on there, but everything's simple. You got your choke right here, and you got your pull start right in here, which is great because in case that battery dies like it just did. The quad's been sitting for a little bit, so it hasn't been getting ridden that much. But brand new tires on here all the way around. I love this ATV, man. I can't say enough good things about the Honda Recon. I would highly recommend this ATV because it's a great entry-level ATV, and you can get anywhere with this thing. I mean, you really can't get stuck with this unless you're doing something stupid, but you really don't even need that four-wheel drive with this if you're just taking it on, you know, some minor into intermediate trails. But if you're going to go swamping and mudding and stuff, I wouldn't recommend that for this. You can, don't get me wrong, you can get through some water with this, but you know, if you're going to do anything extreme, I would get a 4x4. But for the price, you can find these for under $3,000. You know, really clean mint, probably $3,500, but you can get them for $2,500 if you look around. You know, $2,000 anything under 2 grand is probably trashed, because it's really hard to find anything half decent anymore for under 2 grand. But if you look around and be patient, and if you wait, you can find something. But it's getting really hard to find anything half decent anymore for under 2,500 bucks. We're selling a lot of junk out there for you know, for like $2,500 now. It's all garbage. And yeah, so I highly recommend this ATV. It's 5-speed automatic clutch. This particular engine has no oil filter. I changed the oil in this, and there is no oil filter. Yes, I repeat, no oil filter. For some reason, Honda did not put an oil filter on this particular 250 engine. Why, I do not know, but they did not. It drove me nuts at first, because I'm looking around, I'm like, where's the oil filter? I'm like, has to be an oil filter, and no, there isn't. This also has a brand new carburetor, by the way, so it's all tuned up, ready to roll. I think I should just charge that battery up. I might be able just to get away with, I should be able to get away with just charging it. But anyway, we have a Kawasaki Bayou 250. It's super mint over here. This thing is really clean. You roll it out over here so you guys can take a look at it. We'll do a 2-for-1 today. We'll get the Honda and the Kawasaki. These are both basically the same ATVs. The TRX 250 Honda is a little bit bigger than the Kawasaki. It sits up a little higher. This sits a little bit lower. And they do make this in a 220 model. It's basically the same. But you can see Kawasaki used an oil filter for this engine. So you can change the oil filter with this. And this oil has been changed on this as well. This is really clean, low hours. I mean, you just don't see them like this anymore. This is all original 2006, super clean. And then we have the minty fresh DR650. Still having mixed feelings about that. So I don't know if I want to sell the DR650, but anyway, back to the Honda. I would highly recommend this ATV for anyone that's looking for a you know, entry-level ATV. I would highly recommend this. It's definitely worth it. Like I said, you can't go wrong with the value. You're getting a lot for your money. And the cool thing is, you have racks here for your coolers. You can put your little coolers, strap them on here, and go out on the trails for a while and take stuff with you. The racks are awesome. Like I said, this quad is not for speed. If you want something fast, if you want something powerful, look somewhere else. This is more of a chill dad quad. So if you're older like me and you're a dad, you probably would like to get something like this. This would be a good deal. So highly recommend the Honda. You can't go wrong with the reliability. It's easy to adjust the automatic clutch. You have a bolt up there on the front right there to adjust the clutch, the automatic clutch disc. And it's very easy to maintain. These things are pretty much bulletproof as long as you change the oil. You'll have no issues with these at all. But yeah, man, definitely highly recommend. I give this quad 4 to 5 thumbs up. It's kind of underrated. It's the same thing as the 250 EX or whatever. They make a TRX 250, a sport one in this. Like, it's a sporty one, still automatic clutchless, but just more sporty. Doesn't have these bars, but same exact engine. So anyway, I'll be back with some more videos. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Peace and hair grease. Check out my other videos. I'll be back soon with some more vids. See you guys. Be safe out there. Peace and hair grease. See ya.